So continuing with lesson 34, this is 34B as in boy, greatest common factor in algebra 1. And let's look at the example 2. We have 4x squared y cubed z minus 8y squared x z cubed. Alright, so I'm going to make my parenthesis and put a minus sign here for this one right there. Alright, we're just going to start looking. Alright, we're going to make this into a 2 times 2, and this into a 2 times 2 times 2. And I have 2 here and 2 here, so I'm going to pull those out. And I don't have any numbers left. Those are all gone, but when I pulled these two out, I was left with a 2. So, put that there. Now let's look at the x's. I have 2 x's there and 1, so what's common is what I pull out. So I can pull 1x out. When I pull 1x out, I'm left with 1 in here. Over here I don't have any left because I took it. Okay, y cubed here and a y squared. So the most I have that's common is a y squared. So I'm going to pull it out. And I have 1 left there because I had 3. And here I don't have any left because I only had 2. And then here I have a z and a z cubed. So I can pull 1 out. And I don't have any here, and I have 2 left here. And once I'm done scribbling everything out, I'm done. So the final example that they have in here is example 3. And example 3 is 16x squared yp cubed minus 4x cubed y squared p plus 2x squared y squared p to the 15. Okay, so this is a 2 times 2, and this is a 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, so here's my parenthesis. I've got a minus and a plus. So I've got 3 places here, here, and here to put stuff. Alright, so let's see what I can take out. I've got, well, the most 2's or the fewest 2's I have is this one, so I can only pull 1 out of there. That kind of stinks. So I can pull that one out, and I erase 1 there and erase 1 there, which means I still have 8 there. And I still have 2 there. Okay, so now those are gone. Those are all gone. All of our numbers are gone. Now let's look at the x's. I have 2 of them here, 3 here, and 2 here. So the least number I have that are common are 2. So I'm going to pull those out. I took both of those. And I have 1 left here because I had 3 and I only took 2 out. And here I took 2, so I don't have any. Looking at the y, I have 1y, 2y, 2y. So the most I can pull out then is 1, and that gets rid of this one. I have 1 left when I get rid of that, and I have 1 left here because I only took 1 away. Okay, next is my p. I have 3 there, 1 there, and holy smokes, 15. So the most I can pull out is 1, and that gets rid of this one. But I still have 2 left there. And I still have, I only pulled 1 out, so I still have 14 there. So there's my greatest common factor, and that is what's left. And that's it for lesson 34.